Hey, let's dance.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you something nobody is talking about, a secret feature hiding inside Grok AI that's honestly insane. I'm talking about image to video generation, and not just static animation, we're talking real movement, cinematic camera motion, and even built-in sound effects, all automatically generated from a single image. Yeah, you heard that right. Grok AI is quietly generating 6-second videos completely watermark-free, and they look shockingly good. These clips actually feel like movie shots. There's depth, lighting changes, motion, and even ambient sound that fits the scene. It's wild that no one's talking about this yet. Most people think Grok is just about text or memes, but this part of the AI, it's like having your own mini video studio built right in. You drop an image, click generate, and boom. 6 seconds of stunning motion video, no watermark, ready to post anywhere. And the best part? You don't even need to know video editing. Just upload an image. Grok does the rest. I tested it with various styles, and each one turned into something that looked like a trailer shot. Seriously, TikTok and Reels creators could go crazy with this. So yeah, while everyone's busy talking about AI chatbots, Grok's over here quietly building movie magic. If you haven't tried it yet, you definitely should before this goes mainstream. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got more hidden AI tools coming up next week. See you in the next one.